Renold has been making engineer class chain here in Morristown, Tennessee for about 60 years. Our intent back then was to put a high quality product out in the market. That's been true since day one, it's true today as well. Renold focuses on a number of different industries. Right at the top of that list is cement and aggregates, putting together a full portfolio of bucket elevator chains. We serve oil and gas, we do ethanol and grain, we do building products. Really anything you can think of, we've got some type of a hand in.
We have 250,000 square feet of space here in Morristown that both houses our manufacturing for our larger chains, as well as our central warehousing for the U.S. We start our manufacturing process in our steel bay, where we will bring in U.S. steel. We will cut it. If it's a round component, we will go on one of our many machining centers. We have tremendous capability with our rotary transfer machine, as well as our other machining centers. If it's a flat component, we will take that to the blanking operation. We will do a punch and a form if necessary. All of those products will go through heat treat. We have various different types of heat treat equipment that we can utilize. We do an induction hardening. We'll do a specific case depth based on the customer specs, and then we will go into the assembly process, and we will do everything from attachment chain, roller chain, as well as engineered chain. We have different lines that are meant for that specific application. Once it is completed, it will be moved over to our shipping operation, either put onto the shelf, or we will ship it directly out to our customers.
This is an awesome time to be part of Renold Chain Americas. About 4 or 5 years ago, we set about trying to transition our whole manufacturing technology. So we spent nearly $10 million in the last 4 years. We've already got projects lined up that we can continue to invest and improve our facility.
We pride ourselves on selecting the right materials, U.S. materials, doing all of our manufacturing in-house, making sure that we have equipment that drives efficiency, that keeps our costs down. When you've got 5 components in a chain and 3 of them are round components, then we have the CNC machine out there that allows us to be able to do parts more efficiently. In the past, you would have 3 or 4 work centers that would do one component. This machine allows us to do everything on one machine instead of having 4 or 5 operations or work centers.
Motion is both a highly valued customer as well as a often used supplier. We have ongoing projects to better utilize Motion, their products through maintenance, our consumables.
When I look at Motion Industries, they're really going beyond what the customer is asking. We provide that higher level of technical support, and so does Motion. Having Motion as a partner is very important to really provide that extra service and taking the time to really take care of customers.